Number 1. The 1969 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D, priced at $9,000, located in Fairport, New York. This car is highly attractive with an overall good condition. The 390 V8 engine has been updated and runs well, paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. One of its unique features is the swing-away steering, which adds a distinct vintage touch. The interior is clean and well-maintained, though a few small areas require additional attention. The car's exterior stands out with shiny chrome and alloy trim, despite a small dent on the left front fender, which is easy to repair. With new wheels and tires, this vehicle is ready for a comfortable drive. A significant investment of up to $22,000 has been made in its body and engine restoration, making this a classic car ready to be enjoyed. The reason for selling is the high cost of storage, as the owner lacks space at home. This car is perfect for classic car enthusiasts who appreciate style and history. Number 2. The 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS, priced at $14,000, located in Bronx, New York. This is an exciting restoration project, especially as it features a 327 engine and a 2-speed Powerglide transmission, both of which are functional and shift smoothly. The car has significant rust in several areas, including the body, floor, and frame, but it is claimed to be reparable with patches. The interior shows signs of age, with worn seats needing repair, although the dashboard and other components appear complete. The car comes with an attractive set of aftermarket wheels and tires, which can be sold with the car or separately. With matching VIN, engine, and transmission numbers, along with proper ownership documents, this car is increasingly rare and holds high collectible value. However, brake and frame repairs should be a priority to ensure safety and roadworthiness before undertaking a full restoration. This is an opportunity for a classic car enthusiast to revive this iconic piece of the 1960s. Number 3. The 1966 Pontiac Catalina, priced at $11,000, located in Fresno, California. This is a classic car in good condition, with several repairs already performed to maintain its optimal performance. The car retains an original 389 engine, which runs smoothly without major issues, and is frequently used for daily driving. The exterior is well maintained, with a solid body showing minor dents and a few rust spots, which are expected for its age. Recently replaced parts include the alternator, front brakes, spark plugs, wires, starter, belt, and exhaust. The rear brakes are prepared but not yet installed. The interior is fairly tidy, with some signs of wear over time, giving it an authentic classic feel. The car comes with aftermarket wheels for added style, but the original wheels are also available. In this condition, the car is not only ready to drive, but also holds sentimental value for classic car collectors. The owner is open to trade offers involving other cars or trucks plus cash. Number 4. The 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $6,500, located in Ward, Arkansas. This car features a big block 390 engine that was rebuilt approximately 400 miles ago, equipped with a mild Clay Smith camshaft for smoother performance. The engine includes a QFD Slayer 650 carburetor with 6872 jets and a new HEI distributor, still in its box, complete with vacuum and mechanical adjustments. The power steering system needs repairs to its hose and wheel, but a repair kit is included. A new rear suspension and rear shelf tray have been installed, along with many additional spare parts, such as the original service manual. The car starts easily, runs well, and is driven weekly to maintain its condition. However, the interior requires significant attention, including rust repair on the floors. The exterior is solid, maintaining the classic Galaxy look. In this condition, trades are not accepted. The car comes with legal documents and is ready for a new owner to continue its restoration journey. Number 5. The 1953 Ford Custom Line, priced at $7,500, located in Glen Burnie, Maryland. This is a fairly rare vehicle, equipped with a 302 engine and automatic transmission. Its overall condition does not fall into the show car category, but offers an attractive base for restoration or modification projects. The engine runs well and features an HCI distributor and an electric fuel pump. Several updates have been made, such as a newer fuel tank with connected wiring, an upgraded fuse box, and some new wiring. However, there are a few drawbacks, such as vacuum windshield wipers that need repair and a non-functioning fuel gauge. The car lacks power steering and disc brakes. The interior is reasonably tidy, with the rear cargo area lined with wood. The car is priced as is or best offer, with the possibility of trade considerations, particularly for a service truck or bucket truck. This is an exciting opportunity for a classic car enthusiast looking to restore or customize a unique vehicle. Number 6. The 1964 Galaxy, priced at $8,800, located in Danville, Kentucky. This car has an appealing look and features a fully restored 352 engine. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and a local shifter. The vehicle includes a new battery, a new alternator, and long tube headers. The interior is in fair condition, but requires a new driver's side door panel. Both windshields have identical cracks. However, the body is solid overall. The car runs well, has a functioning heater, and is ready to drive. It is sold with a clear title, and the owner is open to trade offers and cash deals, provided buyers come to the seller's location. The vehicle also comes with 4 nearly new tires, making it perfect for classic car enthusiasts looking for a reliable ride without extensive repairs. Number 7. The 1968 Oldsmobile Toronado, priced at $9,000, located in Prosper, Texas. This iconic classic vehicle is still operational, featuring its original 455 cubic inch V8 engine delivering up to 375 horsepower at 4,400 RPM and 510 lb-ft of torque at 3,200 RPM, paired with a turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission. The exterior remains intact with some signs of aging, while the interior boasts striped fabric seats in good condition for its age. The owner notes that the braking system requires repair, presenting a great opportunity for a restoration project. Measuring 214.8 inches in length and weighing 4,478 pounds, this car exudes a sturdy presence. The price is negotiable, and the vehicle is available for viewing upon request. Number 8. The 1973 Dodge Charger SE Sedan 4D, priced at $15,500, located in Danielson, Connecticut. This car features a numbers-matching big block 404-barrel engine. The seller states that the car runs with good oil pressure. Several new components have been installed, including a fuel tank, remanufactured carburetor, water pump, radiator, spark plugs, distributor cap, rotor, and new wires. The interior shows significant wear, particularly with torn seats. The exterior is solid, though it has visible wear and faded paint. The engine shows its age but is slated for head gasket replacement and remanufactured head installation. The vehicle has a clean Texas title. Number 9. The 1972 Chrysler New Yorker, priced at $9,000, located in Rockaway Park, New York. This car features bucket seats with center console. It has a 360 cu in 5.9L engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission. The car runs, drives, and stops, but needs minor repairs including steering box slack and a small transmission pan leak. Recent upgrades include a new Edelbrock RPM air gap intake and an MSD ignition system, which improved the previously underperforming engine. The exterior has minor dents and scratches, but no major damage or significant rust. The red interior features leather seats that show slight wear but remain usable. Overall, the car is in good condition for its age and is priced with room for light negotiation. Number 10. The 1964 Ford Fairlane, priced at $17,000, located in Chesapeake, Virginia. This car reflects its vintage age. The interior is well maintained, with seats in good condition and a dashboard retaining its original elements despite some wear. The engine shows rust, typical for a car this age, but is functional for a driver-quality car. The exterior retains its original patina, adding a classic charm, though rust is evident in certain areas, particularly on the body and front bumper. The vehicle is equipped with working lights, turn signals, wipers, and a heater, along with tires and brakes in good condition. Overall, this car is ideal for collectors or classic car enthusiasts seeking a vehicle for casual events or countryside cruising. Number 11. The 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D, priced at $5,500, located in North Plainfield, New Jersey. This well-maintained classic retains much of its originality, powered by the original numbers-matching aluminum 215 V8 engine. The car has undergone various repairs, including engine seal replacements, carburetor and radiator reconditioning, alternator repairs, and installation of a new muffler. Original muffler is still available. The tires are in excellent condition with 95% tread remaining, and the paint appears to be original with minor damage on the rear panel. The interior is clean with a classic design, and the trunk is spacious and well kept. Sold as is with a clean title. The car runs well but may occasionally have starting difficulties due to the carburetor. The seller has invested more into the car than the asking price, reflecting their care and attention to its maintenance. Number 12. The 1954 Ford Custom Line, priced at $7,000, located in Big Rock, Tennessee. This car features a V8 239 engine that runs well, paired with a 3-speed manual column shift transmission that shifts smoothly. The electrical system remains 6-volt, with manual steering and brakes. The body shows some filler patches and small rust bubbles, but no major damage. The passenger side floor requires replacement, as previous repairs were only temporary. The interior is clean, though the headliner needs replacing. Overall, the car is sturdy for its age. While not a show car, it is ideal for weekend drives or short trips. Its affordable price and vintage charm attract attention and praise from classic car enthusiasts. Number 13. The 1964 Dodge Dart GT, priced at $5,800, located in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. This car is equipped with reliable 225 Charger slant, 6-engine, and a push-button automatic transmission, known for their durability and fuel efficiency. The odometer reads 76,000 miles, likely the original mileage. The interior is in excellent and original condition, with well-maintained seats, door panels, and dashboard, one of its standout features. The body is solid overall, with minimal rust confined to the rear quarter panels, which should be easy to address. The car runs and drives well, with a clean Pennsylvania title ready for transfer. This car offers an excellent opportunity for a light restoration and the revival of a classic. Number 14. The 1964 Dodge Dart Sweet Ride, priced at $9,000, located in Ephrata, Pennsylvania. This car is powered by a strong and healthy 225 slant, 6-engine. It needs new engine mounts and possibly transmission mounts. The trunk floor is solid and original. Dealer documents are still available. The car comes with a spare tire and an original bumper jack. The brakes and steering are manual. The previous owner replaced the water pump, fan, radiator, and hoses. The tires are about a year old, but still look new. The floor is in great shape, although the interior needs some care. The car runs well and was recently driven to Nashville. While some bodywork is required, the rust-free frame makes it a great weekend hobby car. Number 15. The 1972 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $1,500, located in Rochester, New Hampshire. This car is a significant restoration project. The exterior shows rust in multiple areas, with faded paint and a slightly open hood. The interior is heavily worn, with torn and damaged seats and a cracked dashboard due to age and environmental exposure. It retains its 250 CI 6-cylinder engine, but the braking system is in poor condition, with a faulty brake booster and locked rear drums. The car is currently non-operational and will need to be transported via trailer. It is sold as is, with no room for negotiation. You can watch other videos here. Hopefully you get the car of your choice, dude.